How to fix YouTube app not opening. Is the YouTube app refusing to open? Let's get it working again. Go to your device's settings. Find the YouTube app and force to stop it and halt any ongoing processes. Clearing the app's cache and data can resolve issue, preventing it from opening. Usually the cache can be only cleared in Android. Ensure the app is up to date. Go to App Store and search for YouTube, and if the update button shows, click on it. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the app. A simple device restart can often fix underlying issues. These steps should help you access YouTube without any hitches. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.